Okay, what do you say? Go.
Welcome back to part 4.
And what are we doing in part 4?
We're going to hammer down these nails, and then in a little bit after we're done, we're going to put these stickers on, and you're still going to be watching.
Oh, okay.
Because then your parents will have to watch, and they'll get it, so they don't have to read the instructions at home.
Oh, they're going to read the instructions? Our instructions are right here. We can even show them, right? Let's show the instructions. Right there's all the instructions. Right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So ready, set, go.
Okay, so let's hold on to this and hammer away.
And I'm going to say,
whatever you do, don't hit Pop's finger with the hammer.
and this is not my dad. This is Pop.
Yeah. And what don't you do? You don't hit Pop's finger with the hammer.
No. Or else you don't lick the hammer. You don't bite the hammer.
Hit the nails, right?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Get it. Okay, let's work on these up here.
Okay, you have to do this now.
Want me to
Because
do a couple?
my arm is starting to get this.
Your arm's getting tired?
Yeah.
Let me see them muscles. Oh, the camera slid. What happened here? There we go. See them muscles. Ooh, look at them muscles. Okay. So we're going to finish up hammering these down. What are you doing? Flexing the muscles?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were building a birdhouse.
I am. I'm just wiggling muscles.
Flexing the muscles, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Pops is dropping the nails.
You Mrs. Shoemaker. You Mrs. Shoemaker, Pops. Wanna who Mrs. Shoemaker is? She's somebody who always drops the pen.
Yeah.
You're Mrs. Shoemaker.
Yeah.
Because you dropped the pen.
Uh-huh. Okay, so we got a couple more to nail down here. Okay, part 4 is done.
No more.
So what are we going to do now?
Now we're going to put the stickers on.
Okay, let's see if the directions say where to put stickers. Let's see. This here is for the suction cups right there. So you can put this on the window. And we put the bottom and the top and the sides on, right?
Yes.
So let's flip this
You're
over.
kind of forgetting something.
What am I forgetting?
That this has a side.
We did the sides. I think it's time for stickers.
Yay, stickers!
Yep, and if we look right here, you can get an idea right here where to put the stickers.
Okay, Pops, put the ball over here so everybody can see.
Everybody can see.
Pops, put that down real quick and I'll show the stickers first down. See, these are the stickers. So what? Blueboard, put right there. Here.
Right there.
Right there. Right there.
And let's take this one here.
Why don't we take this other body?
Other birdie.
Why don't we put it right here?
Okay.
And why don't we take this body and we put this body where?
On the side?
Yeah. And why don't we take this fence right here and we put it
Right there.
on the bottom?
Wow.
I got a little bit off.
Got a little crooked? Yeah, let's pop fix it. Let's put the camera down for a minute. Okay, we'll peel this up just a second. I'll put this down and you can press it in place. How's that?
Okay, sounds good, but not with all the other stickers, right?
Okay, press it down.
But not with all the other stickers.
Right.
Oh, let me go with that. Say, I went here.
I think Maya did a disappearing act. Where did she go?
I went under the table to grab my sticker.
Okay, let's put a sticker here.
Yes.
Let's show the camera where you're going to put the sticker.
Over on the side. Okay, where is the sticker? Okay, that's good.
Got it crooked. The tree's crooked. Fix that sticker.
Okay, I'll fix it.
That's better.
The tree ain't crooked no more.
There.
And this window goes.
That goes right way up here. Let Pops help you put that in place.
Okay, there you
Hold
go.
on, and I'll have you stick it. Okay. I'm gonna put that right up here.
Where does this go? Oh, it
Okay,
goes right up.
push this sticker down. Did you get it?
Yes. And now it's time for the side.
What's that? A window?
Yes. Have flowers up there.
Looks like your flower pot's a little crooked here, kid.
I know. I love crooked stuff. Kind of.
Okay, that's here. Now you can push it down. Now it's straight. Put one on the other side.
And now we got more. Wait, Pops. This is going. Oh.
Oh, we better take this one off and move it down. Okay, let's fix the camera here. Hold on. Let's put this down here. And let's put the window up. I'll make it so you just press it. Hold on. There you go.
And now
What else you got?
we got
More
a bush.
stickers? What's that? A bush?
Uh-huh.
Put it down here.
You only want it to go
Look
down
at
here.
that.
But there's all 3 stickers. So
Oh.
what else would... Oh,
What's that supposed to be?
flower. I can't get it off. Nope.
Let me see.
How does that look?
Let me see. Oh,
Ah!
what happened?
How'd that get on there?
Let's put that maybe right there.
Wait, what's the instructions?
Let me look at the instructions.
Huh?
I don't see it on the instructions nowhere. You put it wherever you want. I think you should put it down here.
I think I should put it up here.
Right there? Okay, it's your birdhouse.
Treat, treat. Ugh.
Right?
I want my cow and my animals.
And this here.
Goes in this window.
Okay, hold on. We gotta set the cameraman's not too good, is he?
Nope.
Hey, I'm the cameraman. Look at that. We put that suction cup there. This one here.
Like, I want to see them real quick and tell them something without you even knowing. The camera has trash out all this stuff.
What? You gotta speak up louder. Can't hear you.
The cameraman has trash out all this stuff.
Are
I
you
didn't
You're being silly. I couldn't hear you. What's that?
The camera's back. Hold it.
Yeah.
Where's this gonna go?
Where's that gonna go? On the roof? Or on the back of this? Is it big enough or too big? It's too big for that. Right there is good. Yay.
I'm gonna go show you what we made a long time ago.
Say, and that concludes the build of the birdhouse.
But where's my farm? Like that says move.
Your barn? I'll have to show you, but say that's all done with this, and we'll be back to show you what else we can build soon.
And we're gonna show you what we built in the past.
Okay, say bye for now.
Let's just show them what we built in the past.
We have to take a break. Say we'll be right back.
We'll be right back. We're just gonna take a break and we're gonna show what we made in the past.
Okay.